Ihoy, ladies and gents. Kusayiyo leyo ndaba ye-Euclidean. Asibabone. Nangu 1.3 la. And the diagram PQ and RS are parallel. Whew. As soon as they tell you parallel, what are you thinking about? Alternating, co-interior, corresponding. Okay, let's move. Center. Oh, angle at the center. Radii. Diameter. What else? Okay, let's move. PS and RQ intersect at T. Okay, let X equal to let angle S equal to X. All right, let's go for that. Nakia. Right, let's go for questions. 3.1. 1.3.1. Okay, name with reasons 3 other angles each equal to X. Let's go. First thing first, do we have a bow tie? How do you check if we have a bow tie? 4 points on the circumference. P, Q, R, S. All these 4 points are at the circumference. Bow tie, is it? Let's go. Bow tie. This and that, which means angle Q, right? Let me keep it clean. Angle Q is equal to X. Or let's start by saying angle S, and they are equal to X. Why? Angles in same seg. Right, let's go and highlight. U, my guy, Q is equal to X now. Ngiyatshela lingana no X wena manje. Okay, let's move. Enye futhi eyesibili. Okay, nginama parallel lines. Is it possible to go for corresponding? No. Is it possible to go for co-interior? No. Is it possible to go for alternating? We already know about Q. Is it forming a Z with R? Yes, they are forming a Z. These two angles are forming a Z. Okay, which means angle R sesiyampasisa ke manje, siyaqualify. Uyaqualify manje, sesimnikeza statements like say. Now you are fine. Angle R is equal to angle Q, and they are equal to X. Sithini isizathu salapho? Alternating angles. Why are they alternating? It's because PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, yokugcina. Let's go and highlight this guy. Can you see this guy? Right. Again, same segment. Or you can go for alternating. Let's go for alternating. Here is Z again. Here is a Z. This angle S and angle P, they are forming a Z. Alternating angles. Let's go. Angle P is equal to angle S, and they are equal to X. How come? They are alternating angles. They are alternating angles. Why are they alternating? It's because PQ is parallel to RS. Or you can go for same segment. Let me show you same segment. Bow tie. You know this story, Baba. Bow tie, Baba. Strondo. That's strondo, Baba. That's strondo za bow tie. Loya. Nalo. Benzanja. Angles, same segment. Salute. Sesiqedile. Now let's go for 1.3.2. Manje, let's go and highlight. U are equal to X. Right, there you go. Now calculate PTR. Where is PTR? Let's go and highlight PTR. Let's go and highlight PTR. Let me use a different color. Let me use red. Right? There is P, there is T, there is R, which means they are talking about this angle here. What is that angle there? What is it? There you go. Right. It's an exterior towards TPQ. Right? They say in terms of X. It's an exterior. Can we use same sec? Nah. There is something like a same segment, but there is something like a bow tie. PTRO. It's forming a bow tie. But the problem is we haven't proved that we have a cyclic quad there. That's the only time you can use that. Until we prove PTOR is a cyclic quad, we can do it. And then maybe if T and O they was on the circumference or they were in the circumference, it was going to be the same as what we did before. We didn't even question it because they were at or they were in the circumference. I hope you get it. Right. So we will use what? Exterior angle. Let me show you. Here is my triangle here. There is my triangle. This one is my exterior. So which means the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Hambo check it on. So that means P angle T R is equal to angle Q plus angle P. How come? Exterior angle of triangle. Say vala. So which means Q njengoba X plus P njengoba X, that means PTR is equal to 2X. Siyabonga danku. Prove that PTOR bavele basiprove ukuthi ke cyclic quad ke manje na ke just exactly lama lokujana dengwasho PTOR. So sekuyacaca so prove ngani angles in the same sequence, which means fanele prove ukuthi angle T angle PTR is equivalent to angle POR. These two are equivalent. How are we going to prove that? Angle O is the angle at the center. Angle O is at the center, right? What do we know about angle at the center? Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. And some so check ukuthi kunjalo yini. Yip angle at the circumference. There is angle at the center. There is angle at the circumference because they are subtending the same arc. You see? And then also this one is also angle at the circumference, which means angle O, let's name it properly, P angle OR is equal to 2 angle S or 2 angle Q, which is 2X. Therefore, it's 2X. Okay. Now, PTR is equal to POR, angle OR, PTR, angle. You should be specific. You are talking about an angle. Angle PTR and angle POR, they are equal to 2X. They are both equal to 2X. Therefore, PTOR is a cyclic quad. Why is it a cyclic quad? Converse angle and the same segment. Bah! Let's go.